हेलो, तो मैं समृद्ध पांडे हूँ और मैंने इनकैप से OCFA सर्टिफिकेशन की ट्रेनिंग ली थी एंड आई एम वेरी ग्लैड दैट आई हैव सर्टिफाइड OCFA इन द एज ऑफ 14 years and I am in 9th class. In the expertise of Rahul sir, my knowledge has came a boost and I am now able to complete problems and tackle complex real world projects. I started my journey in Incapp by the course Java and it is known as Java Core. Then I was doing Java Core. Then sir taught me one day that there is a certification named OCFA. So because of that certification, now I am being praised in my school and now I am thinking that I am the youngest in the world to certify because the age of the certification is 13 and I am 14. Because of sir's expertise, now I am very confident in solving any problem of programming language of Java and now I can solve any problem given to me. First of all, when I started the OCA batch, I was very nervous and I thought that I am not able to do this without any expertise of any professionals. The Rahul sir's procedure to teach me was very easy and he taught me like a friend. And the best quality of a teacher is to teach the student like a friend, and the quality is in Rahul sir. I highly recommend all the students of schools and college, even any age, they can come to Incapp and certify and the OCA and OCP certification or any other program because Incapp has a very highly supportive environment and the facilities here are top notch, which makes it a good place to enhance your coding skills. Thank you.